Hey everybody, this is Logan Kelly coming at you from Orange Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, as well as Motor City Automotive Group. So I'm repping both of them in this video. So what I'm here to talk about is how to get approved on a bad credit auto loan. I get a lot of people asking me, how do I do it? I've written some blog articles about it, but it seems like people love video these days, so I'm putting this up on Facebook and YouTube so people can use it as a good reference. So there's 4 things that you need to do before you get approved for a bad credit auto loan, and everybody can do it. The first thing is gather up your proof of income. What I mean by that is many of us get pay stubs. That's great. If you're on Social Security or you're self-employed, an award letter or a bank statement works perfectly fine. If you have any questions, just let me know, comment below, or give us a call, and we can certainly help you figure out how you can prove your income. The second thing, I want everybody to take a look at what they can put down on the vehicle, or do you have a trade, or both, okay? The bank is certainly going to want to see some form of what we call an initial investment, whether that be a trade-in or money down or both, as I said. Sometimes we can get people approved with no money down or no trade, but there's 2 things. There's a benefit to you. Sometimes the interest rate can be a little bit lower, the payments are certainly lower if you have that initial investment, and sometimes the banks just require it, okay? The third thing, and I want everybody to pay close attention, I'm going to slow down real quick. Drive the vehicle that you want to purchase before you get approved. I know that everybody wants to know, can I get approved, can I get approved, can I get approved? I created a system called Rapid Credit Approval. I use it at my stores, which basically means I can get everybody approved on any vehicle on my lot. It's very simple. The problem is, if you walk into a store or you call a store and you say, can you get me approved? They're probably going to try to get you approved on the easiest car for them to get you approved on. Now, the thing about it is many times that's not actually the car you want to buy. But many times, people won't even try to get you approved on the car that you want to buy unless you insist. And so what I'll say is this. Drive the vehicle that you want to buy before you even fill out a credit app. Now, I know that takes a little bit of extra time, but you're about to go into a loan for between 3 and 6 years. Doesn't it make sense to take the extra 30 minutes to drive that car before you go through the process of getting approved? The other thing is this. If you ultimately don't like what they've gotten you approved on and you have to go to another store, chances are that's going to hit your credit more and more times, which is going to affect you in the long run. So, really important, drive that car that you actually want to purchase and at least try to make something work on that. And then if you have to basically settle after that, okay, well, at least you tried to get that vehicle and you know all I need to do is take out this loan, improve my credit, and then I'll get that car that I really want. The final step, once you've driven that car, once you have all your stuff gathered, now fill out the credit app, now get approved. Now I can say with Rapid Credit Approval, which is the system that I created that we use at Motor City and Orange, as well as a few other dealers, with Rapid Credit Approval, everybody is approved on any car on my lot in 14 minutes or less. Once you say, this is the car I want to buy, the bank will give me that approval after you fill out that credit app. So that's what I got. If you have any questions, please comment below. And I've also included a link. If you want to start the process, if you want some more information, please click the link below or above. I don't know where it's going to be depending on the platform. But basically Massachusetts, Connecticut, New York buyers, there's one link for you. And then there's New Hampshire, Maine, and Vermont as well. So let me know if you have any questions as well. If you want to get approved on an auto loan, click one of these links, give me a little bit of information. One of my team will reach out to you and we can start this process. It's awesome. Everybody can get approved for any car on my lot, guaranteed. Look, it's on video, so it's obviously true. Thanks a lot, everybody, and we'll talk soon.